Hi, I'm Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really does help out the channel quite a bit. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. You guys are the reason why I'm able to do these videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to get you the correct answer as quick as possible. All right, so this is just going to be a real quick heads up video for you guys. A lot of people now are cutting the cord. There's a lot of new technologies that are coming out real soon that are going to make it even easier for you to cut the cord. One thing to be aware of is the way that certain companies are marketing towards cutting the cord. And what I mean by that is, in particular, antennas. When you read the label on an antenna, be careful because they can be very misleading. When you go into the store, you're going to see antennas that are going to say 4K. You're going to see their HD TV. It's this especially, and especially with HTSC 3.0 coming out. And not exactly sure how 5G is going to work. I think 5G is actually going to have to go through the router. So I don't think an antenna will work for it. But basically, to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of energy, they're all the same. There is no such thing as an HD antenna, a 4K antenna. They're all just antennas. They all made the same way. So if you're looking to get the highest definition TV that you can get, any antenna, it doesn't have to be specially HD or especially 4K. And to even save you some more, until HTSC 3.0 is implemented, nobody's broadcasting 4K through the air right now. The current standard really wouldn't support 4K that well. So I wouldn't waste my money buying a 4K antenna because it's the same thing as an HD antenna, which is the same thing as a regular antenna. One resource that I used when I cut the cord, because I knew nothing about antennas, I had actually started out with a $30 RCA tabletop or set-top antenna, and I was able to get 35 to 40 channels in with that. I wanted to be able to get more because like I said, we totally wanted to get rid of cable, which we did. So I purchased an outdoor antenna, or the antenna I have can actually be mounted in an attic, but I have mine outdoor. Video for it's right here, and it's worked wonderful. The resource that I use, it's another website. I'm not affiliated with him anyway. He just has a lot of good information on his YouTube channel. It's called The Antenna Guy. I'll put the link up here if I can. If not, it'll be down in the description. A lot of good information. Help you pick out the antenna that would best suit your needs. So go check him out. Leave him a comment. Let him know that I sent you. You probably have no idea who I am. I'm sending you guys over to him, so give me a shout out. I'd appreciate it. In any case, like I said, real quick, don't fall for the marketing gimmicks. As the new standard starts getting closer and more channels start putting it out, these antenna companies are going to be putting it all over their boxes. So don't pay the extra money for that. A regular antenna will be able to pull that in. So that's it. Like I said, it was just a quick video tonight. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And like I said, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. Make sure to leave me a comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you are a subscriber, thank you guys so much. I do appreciate it. I'll be back again with another video real soon. I'll see you real soon.